great honor for me to have you today, Young Entrepreneurs Business Plan Competition 2011, organized by Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry under the banner of Lahore Shopping Festival 2011.
And you are the future business leaders of Pakistan who would emerge as great businessmen, great traders, maybe come up with very creative and innovative products in the future.
Are you having problems finding the right research papers? And how many of you have kids actually? Do you think your kids are wasting their time on unproductive internet usage and TV channels? And are you looking for a perfect reading environment? We have the perfect solution for all of these problems. Let's inscribe our lives with Inscribe,
which we feel is a revolutionary product not just for its shareholders but also the stakeholders that are the local farmers in rural Punjab.
Now is the time. If we sit back, if we sit in our homes today, who would come out? So opportunities seldom knock your door. So this is the opportunity you must avail.
We are living in very threatening environment nowadays. Suppose you are stepping out of your car and you have to open the door of your house with. So what are you going to do? Are you going to step out of your car and then going to open your door? No, it's not important now. We have to provide the people with convenience and comfort. For this purpose, we are coming up with a project which is about GSM Home.
Palm Energy Solution, a company having the vision to bring green revolution in Pakistan. So our solution is not only environment friendly, but it is 96% cheaper. With this spirit and with this business model, we are going to look forward to keen to be a national leading organization which will provide the natural gas generator to the whole Pakistan and bring revolution in Pakistan by changing the lifestyle of our people and our nation.
ये अपनी एनर्जी से मूव कर रहा है या इसको आपने कोई आउटसाइड एनर्जी सोर्स दी है?
Actually, it is not moving. It is the pressure of gas. When the pressure of gas becomes high, it starts moving upward. When the pressure of gas becomes low, it starts moving downward. It is also a criteria for defining for the customer how much gas he has left for his family. Sir, we are the seniors, three from the technical side and two from the middle side.
नहीं पता तो कहते नहीं पता, no problem.
नहीं सर, हमने सारी डिजाइन किया हुआ है सर, हमने कंस्ट्रक्ट भी किया हुआ है।
कॉस्ट नहीं है ना?
हम जब 15 मिलियन है जब कॉस्ट हमारी इन्वॉल्व है ना कॉस्ट के अंदर, नेट से लेकर बोर्ड से लेकर और स्टॉपर वायर से लेकर स्टॉपर से लेकर पाइप से लेकर हर एक चीज की कॉस्ट टोटल हमें आती है वो 14,500 रुपीस आती है। ठीक है, और हम 25 करें क्योंकि हमने 1000 के हम ये सोच रहे हैं कि हमारा
इंस्टॉलेशन कॉस्ट है कोई इसकी?
इंस्टॉलेशन कॉस्ट यस 500 पे इंस्टॉलेशन कॉस्ट भी है जो मजदूर को देने पड़ते हैं,
वो भी आपने शामिल,
वो भी बीच में शामिल है।
और इस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट में भी आप अपनी पेज वगैरह तो नहीं लगा रहे ना, कोई आप अपनी ड्रॉ तो नहीं कर रहे सैलरी?
सब कुछ लगाया हुआ है।
आपने अपनी सैलरीज भी ड्रॉ कर ली है?
प्रॉफिट कर रहे हैं लेकिन लेबर्स की कॉस्ट, लेबर से लेकर दुनिया की हर चीज की कॉस्ट इसमें शामिल है। ये फाइनेंशियल सारे।
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's a good idea, good concept.
When our judges are going to prepare the result for today's whole proceeding, I will invite all the teams to come over to have their participation certificate since they have participated.
तो उसको लेट्स स्टार्ट नंबर 3 से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं और नंबर 3 पे ये जो इंस्क्राइब है ये मुल्क में एजुकेशन के लेवल्स को बढ़ाना है। इनकी सेंसिटिविटी वाज ग्रेट और ग्रेट कॉलेज लाहौर गेट्स द थर्ड प्राइज। इट इज द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ UMT INF। Now we will conclude the number 1 of course, and there is always a number 1. और आप लोगों से सिर्फ फिर ये कह रहा हूँ कि सबकी कोशिश है इसमें प्लीज डिसहार्ट ना होइएगा। और अब नंबर 1 जो है, नंबर 1 को हम ले रहे हैं, इट इज दी UET। UET जो है उसको अगर ये जो उन्होंने प्रपोजल बनाई है ये अगर वाकई किसी अच्छी जगह पे पहुंच गई, टेक्निकली साउंड हो गई, वायबल हो गई, तो आप समझे कि हम सबका हर घर का किस कदर फायदा हो जाएगा।
जैसे हमजा शहबाज साहब ने कहा अगर हमने इस मुल्क को तरक्की के पास लेके जाना है, तो we need people like you to join us. Join this movement. The country cannot progress without talent, without skill, without capacity to come over the competitiveness from your foreign or local competitors. So I think that should be the spirit. It's our country. We wanted to go further. We wanted to kill poverty and all these kind of suffering has to be eliminated. So Mubarak to all those who have won. We are very grateful on behalf of the government of Punjab. और prize winners के लिए एक बहुत उनको मुबारकबाद भी. And you know, as announced by Hamza Shawaz sahab, we are honoring our cricket team, which has gone to the semi-finals today at 5:30 in this very hall. That's why you see the deco being brought, being cleaned again. So the winners would be requested to come and have a little chat with the Chief Minister at 5:30 and also join us.